If you need to ship an order in multiple shipments, you'll want to use our split order option. The ability to split orders is great if you allow customers to pre-order or have the options for back order and you want to get items that are ready to ship out the door ASAP in the case of an order that's partially shippable. This gives you the option to split the order into two shipments with the same base order ID and select which quantities of which items are in each shipment. This tutorial will demonstrate how to split an order. So once we're here on our orders page, let's say we're going to go through and split orders that are partially shippable. So they're kind of flagged as some lines are out of stock. This order, for example, has that as well. And we'll see that this Breakaway DVD and Dune DVD are available for shipping, but the Center Stage and Kroll are out of stock. So what we'll do to split this order is go ahead and select it here and go to Order Actions and select Split Order. Now, I have the quantities that are in Order 1 and the quantities that are in New Order 2. So currently everything's in this first order, but I'll add to Quantity 2 order what I want. So let's say this one is shippable, so we'll leave it in Order 1. This one is not, so I'm going to increase it in Order 2. And then this one is also shippable. This one is not shippable, so I'm going to increase it in Order 2 as well. You'll see that we can set whatever quantity. So if I did say have 4 shippable, I could add only 4 to the second order, but I'm going to go ahead and add them all to the second order here. And once I've determined what I would like in each order and I've set that here, I'll just hit split order. Before we do that, you'll see that this order number is 4-1652. Both of the two new orders that we're splitting from this order are going to have the same base order ID. So once I hit split order, we'll kind of see the magic happen. Now we'll see I have order 4-1652-2 and 4-1652-1. So it's been split into the two shipments. I have my shippable shipment and my non-shippable shipment. And that's all you got to do to split orders. Just select the order, go to Order Actions, and select Split Order. If you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.